Right here. Hey, what does the front of your shirt say? Hey, what the fuck is it? I don't know what the hell
Oh, come on.
come here. Hey, what does absolute zero stand for?
Pretty much absolutely zero.
It's hot today.
Yeah, it wasn't warm.
Give us a big piece of absolute zero. Yeah, maybe.
Oh, come on. Use your fin!
You turn around, y'all. Come on. You turn around. It was like, Jenny! Jenny!
Oh.
You're right behind her. You're right behind her now. I'm looking at her voice. And y'all kept going. And she went up. Then I really stopped.
Jenny, she was like, Jenny! Look where the redhead went.
Out!
I think we should add some.
Oh, right there. Trouble. Ow!
Hey, Cole's a cheater. He's gonna cheat for some more than win. Wait till you guys come back to Milwaukee, man.
아, 뱅가.
Right now? Can't hear over those pistons.
Oh, it's about talking shit.
Wow, you shut up and come back to serve.
Where was that yesterday? Oh, good. Damn.
Which one? The little short one or the really big one? Big ass tree. Get the one with the Hey, get it. Go around there. Hey, is that your wife? Sit down!
Oh, come on, John. Damn.
I went yesterday, man. I was with you. Where'd he go? Right now. No, go, you know. I don't want to go to jail, man. One of these
Yeah.
Really? Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, the thing is, that's not to set that well, dude. Our time is you guys could have just come back. Oh, yeah, Jason.
闹了，妈！
Oh, shit, I was like, go buy a whistle before I came. Hey, go, fine. You guys should that wall rotation, I stuck with that. So when it's like that, you have to side off and you just go right down to that. That's the best hole. It's not consistent on it. Nobody! Oh, what the hell is it, man? That's a lot. Yes, they did.
Oh, come on, bro. Woo!
Should never hit it down. Would hit him in the head.
What?
Hold on the 10 foot guy, huh? Get him! Get him! Let's turn around! Get him! His mother said that he get the power.
Ah, come on, Shaw. You
I didn't light up yet. I know you're thinking about it though, dude. Yeah? That's what he has got. That's what he asked me
come on.
That's what John wants. Really? Go. Yeah,
My back up? So you guys wipe off my glasses?
Oh, that's boys?
Wipe off my glasses? I need to come more so those wipe them off.
Oh, you got all wet.
Bắt tỏ ha.
It's your boy again. Let's go. Take that.
Let's go, Milwaukee! Shut up, Sheboygan! Yeah, shut up, boy! Corey, am I hurting your feelings? Come on, this is ridiculous. Let's go! Get out of here, Sheboygan! Let's go, Milwaukee! Oh, hey, go! Come on! Hey, hold on, guys. Hold on. Jason, I'm not drinking one. What the fuck are you doing?
Line, line.
Let's go! Kevin!
Oh!
Who's it? Cool? Yeah, come back. It's gotta be somebody.
Hey.
Move. I'm trying to move. He don't tell him shut up. No, he's trying to.
I'm trying to capture the. Like right there is good, so you can stay there.
No, once the fucking phone there. Yeah, it's over. He's such a bucket, you can't argue. Tôi bảo một con tàu cái sao?
Yo, I'm skinned out.
Want some? Got some?
No, bring me one. In the bed. Yeah, so let's go, hustle.
Let's go!
Hey, it's a boy. What on dog is up?
It was out, but I don't know. I recorded, so I'm gonna check what that is. Ball don't lie.
Stop him! Stop him! You heard him? He goes to college. He said, "Stay out, big boy."
Yeah, we know. Either. It's just what the hell? I know, our team was like super half short. Stop biting. They were taking about you should push like the spread your hitters off. So I would get two off the hip ball.
Oh, don't reach so high. It's really high. Reach high. Outside.
Go. What? Come on, cover that gap. Yeah, let's go. They didn't cover that gap, dude.
I don't want to move.
So, Richie?
He's done, Tom?
Yeah.
When are you going back?
August 8th.
Or
I think he'll play volleyball. No more 係人真係想佢什麼？H 來的 ，He's from Milwaukee.
Hangover, Legion, G-Man, all that. Oh, he is playing. He's not playing D.
I'll play it, but I'm a quarterback. You know? Something easy right off the run, you know.
Okay, man.
You know why?
All guy talk.
Yeah.
They gonna hit you, man. They gonna hit you, man. You say I want a rematch. It's my team, and then we rematch.
For what? Basketball?
Yeah. I didn't know I didn't know any of those three guys.
Oh, yeah?
Well, I knew them, but like, I never played basketball.
Oh, yeah? So you can... It's over here. He's gonna make next shot. Score!
Maybe. If anything, my other
It's like game points still on the.
stuff like that from my team.
Oh, yeah.
That'll be a good competition. Because I don't play point, so they made me play point. When they had the first shoot down low, I'm like,
I know, I saw that. I was like, whoa. Okay, from this side.
this man. I'm the tallest guy on the team, so I had to.
Yeah, it was.
Go.
Alright, next game, too.
I wouldn't say it was too dirty, but
Gotta go.
the rest made bad calls on both sides.
Yeah, they're too dirty here.
So good.
Everybody, man.
I let it go. When I say
It's much cleaner now.
it's a whole different story, you know? When I come play, it's
Hey, Corey. Tell him to show.
we were just playing football too. That game, I was so tired. And I sucked in the contact.
It was like 10 to 3. I was like,
Hey.
I don't know how
I don't know his name. He needs to get out of the way.
Yeah.
I didn't know.
Throw a ball out.
The ref called a lot of stupid fouls.
I don't know who that was.
And then he missed a lot of fouls on you guys too.
I you guys too.
It's okay. That's why I told the guys, I'm like, you will.
The original team was yesterday, right?
With Isaac and Mikey.
Yeah, they were playing yesterday.
That's where I wanted to play. Nope, they're playing football, man. No, it was stupid because that first team that was to play, they were playing football. And then, no. No, because I was like, hey, we gotta play now because if we don't play now, then like I said, play football.
Hey, got.
Steven's like, oh, we gotta get through this season first and then we'll play you guys. By the time we play us, they're in football. So for me, it was either we both have to play football then, or at least one of us plays. I was like, and then Isaac got injured yesterday for football, so
Oh yeah, that's why he's not playing. Oh yeah.
that's why I was like, we don't have a chance.
You.
We're just like,